Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nompumelelo Skusana, the boss woman. If you're new here, thank you for tuning into this video. Please kindly subscribe into my YouTube channel, to my regular deculars. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I heard people say, Lelo, your vlogs are short. Guys, I appreciate that you watched till the end. I truly appreciate it. I think it's road to 250,000. I think I haven't mentioned this in a while. But anyway, welcome to my vlog. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment, and share. And guys, please do comment. It means a lot to me. So today I'm in Pretoria. My mom turns 50, so we booked at the Blythe. We're gonna be spending a weekend here. So let's open this vlog and see where it takes us. Hi, Pippa girl. Say hi.
Hi. I'm here. The most important person. The VVIP.
Bathi namaxhosa usingaye nangu singaye chona nangu singaye guys, that's my aunt. Imagine she's in her 50s.
Go party. Party.
Serasi nqunu skaka. No, it's Ngaba. Say hi to my camera, guys.
Then das ist ja jetzt sagen, aber bitte, ja.
This episode of this vlog is called Mom Turns 50. To be honest with you, I'm having so much fun for someone who is writing an exam in 2 days. Birthday girl!
Birthday girl.
The most gorgeous!
The most beautiful one is here.
Okay guys, I want to show you this place. I think it's super cool. Like, so this is where we having dinner. I want to show you what I'm wearing, but I don't know where I'm gonna put my camera. Yeah. Let's see. let's do some skincare routine with the boss woman. It's been some time. This is the 7th Heaven mask. It's found in Discam. I can vouch on it. It is amazing and cheap too. This is about 29 rand. So when you do your monthly groceries, facials, toiletries, you can might as well like get like at least 4 of this, because I believe in doing a skincare routine at least 4 times a week. It can be even more. So this is it's vitamin C. It's a serum. Yeah, it has amino acids and it's for all skin types. So if you bump into it, it clicks. Oh, don't leave it there. You know, Harry is plucking you with it. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. This is me finding myself. Should I say it's finding myself? After vacation, guys, you feel out of place, but not in a negative way. Like you have to find your routine. So yeah, you're basically finding your fit back. Yeah. So this is me restoring order. If you didn't watch my previous traveling vlogs, please do watch the videos and do the works. Ooh, then you let the product simmer. Let the product penetrate. Obviously, adjust it to your face because we have different faces. So I think in Popayana, but anything for good feminine hygiene. Singavuma urhwatsha khona awa she have a nerve. Igirl might glow, be healthy. Yeah, before you start your week, when the show you've taken care of yourself. So I'll put it on my face for like 20 minutes. Then I will go in to smother the product with a skincare roller. Thanks to my friend, Ngaya baby shower, and I was gifted with the roller. All I'm saying, Ichomi Mazimite. Mazimite Ichomi, we wanna be aunts and uncles. I'm joking. So let me just wait for it for 15 to 10 minutes, then I'll simmer in the product. And le Selena nayo ngayithatha uchacha, like put it on your skin and smother it. Okay.
A few moments later.
Okay, 20 minutes later. Okay, let me show you. This is what I received, as I told you, from the barber shower. Isn't this cute? Aww. My friends are sweet. So between these two, today I'm gonna take this one. This one I'm gonna do it when I apply my oils. I'll show it when I use it. This is a skincare roller. I'm gonna use the bigger side of it. This is to make the product gel well with your skin. I can shoot you all. We're still gonna be very beautiful, ladies. Like, life is so busy, but always take time to take care of yourself, not just your mental health, but your feminine health. I think I love it for us with that. And just give yourself time. Give yourself time to spend with God, like even if it's just 30 minutes, and you're just still, you're reading the word of God, you're meditating and declaring. And I gave a fuzzy, I hope we did your vision board. You know, the other day I was doing my vision board and I literally cried, guys, because doing something nice for my mom for her birthday was part of the vision board. Traveling, saving every month to invest in my easy equity account. Yeah, man, there was just a couple of things that were there, and it just reminded me of the power of being intentional. Oops. Ooh. Sengiyaphula-ke bafazi. Oh my word. Because it was dislocating, so I have to put it back. Okay. That's my skincare roller, guys, that we use. Ooh, kuyaphuka masla. It dislocated. Okay, you know what? Before I fix it, I will use the other side for now. Lelo. Rough, but anyway, so yeah. As you're starting your week, don't forget to do your skincare routine, mama. And also, please, in the comments, please share your hacks that you do for your skin. Okay. It's so hard. The main character, this is the ginger. For some personality, but great taste, well healthy. Oh, ginger, guys, yahlala efrijini isikhathi iyinkinga. Yabona-ke iqhwaga ne-iron pot. I'm thinking it iron pot. My chopping board that I need to upgrade, but yeah.